So in this video, we're going to see a graph theory question of 2 marks from the year GATE 2018, and it's based on the topic of minimum spanning tree. So let's see what the question is. Consider the following undirected graph G. So we are given an undirected graph G here. Okay, as we can see, there is one value of x over the edge which is unknown. Now choose a value for x that will maximize the number of minimum weight spanning trees of G. So they are asking us to choose a value of x such that the number of MSTs of this graph will be maximum. And the question asks the number of minimum weight spanning trees of G for this value of x is. So they are asking us this maximum number of MSTs that can be formed by choosing an appropriate value of x. Note, they are not asking us the value of x itself. So be careful there. They are asking us the number of maximum MSTs that can be formed. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's first of all try to implement the MST algorithm over this graph. So as we know, to find the MST, we have Prim's algorithm or Kruskal's algorithm. I am more comfortable with Kruskal's algorithm, so I'm going to use Kruskal's algorithm. So let me just make a note here. Kruskal's algorithm is what I'm going to implement. Okay, so in Kruskal's algorithm, the way this algorithm works is we choose the most minimum weight edge in the graph and we try to put it into the tree that we're trying to construct. So let me first make a note of the vertices that we have here. These are my 5 vertices, and now I'm going to have a look at this graph, and we can clearly see that the most minimum weight is 1. Okay, so we are going to include this edge here, and this is the weight 1 of it. Okay, then we'll strike it out. Now the next most minimum weight into the graph is 3, so I'm going to include 3 also. This is how the Kruskal's algorithm works, and I'm going to write here 3. So 3 also goes out of competition. Now the next minimum weight is 4. Now as you can see, there are these 3 edges which have 4 as value. Now let's focus on this value of 4. Let me zoom in a bit. So we can clearly not, so if we take this value of 4, we are getting a cycle into the graph and we are trying to construct a tree. So we are not going to take this value of 4 back. So this, I'm going to strike it out. Now to include this vertex into our MST, I have 2 choices. I have this 4 or this 4. So I can randomly choose any one of them. So let me just make a dotted line here. I have 2 choices. I'm going to note it down. I have 2 choices here. Okay, for this node, to include this node into my MST, I have 2 choices and I'm going to choose one of them randomly. So let me choose this and I'm going to write 4 over here. So already we have 2 choices, which means there are 2 possible minimum weight spanning trees that can come out of this graph. Let's see if we can increase this number by choosing an appropriate value of x. Now as you can see, there is only one vertex remaining which has to be included into the MST. Now again, to include this vertex, we can either take this edge or this edge. Now if you want to increase the number of choices, we are going to keep this x as equal to 5. Okay, if x is equal to 5, then again to include this vertex, I can choose either this edge or this edge. Okay, so let me just again make a dotted line here. Let me use a different color. Yes, so here I'm going to have again 2 choices to include this edge into the minimum spanning tree. So I'll randomly choose this one. Okay, and I'll make this 5. Okay, thus as we can clearly see that we had 2 choices for this vertex and we had another 2 choices for this vertex to include into our MST. So total number of choices are 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Thus there are 4 possible MSTs. If we give value of x is equal to 5, then there are 4 possible MSTs out of this graph, and that is exactly what the question is asking. The question is not asking the value of x. Be careful there. So the number of MSTs for G with the value of x, with the appropriate value of x is, so that is 4. So I'm going to make a note here 4.